Well, hello everybody. It is that time of year again. I'm doing grab boxes. You probably know I've been cleaning out all sorts of things in my office, and I have grab boxes. So let me explain how they work. And I have two versions. I have a stamp grab box and an accessory grab box. I'll start with the accessories first. This is a box filled with things that are all retired items. The accessory box is mainly things that are consumable, but there might be a few non-consumable items in there. All the boxes are different, but they might have some of the same items. So like maybe there's two boxes that have some of the same paper in them or some of the same embellishments in them. So they're really, really awesome. They are literally jam-packed full of goodies for you. So let me flip my camera and show you all the fabulous goodies that are in here. Now, once they're sold out, they're sold out. It's first come, first serve. All sales are final, and boxes can only be shipped to United States addresses, just so we're all on the same page. Okay, so let me flip my camera. Okay, guys, so you are going to get a box full of stuff. So let's see if I can pull it all out. It never goes back in quite the same way. All right, here we are. So we've got in here a package of the silver and gold specialty paper. We've got a package of pattern resin dots. By the way, some of these items are going to be brand new. Some of them are going to be used. Here are some Heart and Home doilies. Here are some gusseted cello bags. I've got a package of the pool party and soft seafoam cards. I've got some of the Simply Marvelous DSP. Here's a partial roll of ribbon. Here's a full roll of ribbon. Here is, this is a color coach. Here are some envelopes. Here is a package of Brights DSP from, I think this is from last year's catalog. Here's one of those items that's not exactly consumable. It's sponge brayers, so they're kind of consumable. They were left over from an event I held last year. We've got some scraps of regular cardstock cut up. When I do my classes, I have a ton of leftover cut up cardstock. There are 3 packs of 12 by 12 paper in here. We've got some of the pansy paper, some of the daffodil afternoon. Gosh, I love that paper. And then look, I got a whole pack of the host paper. So that's like a big old pack. So there's a ton of stuff in here. These are also, these are some card wallets. Like you can fit slimline cards and envelopes in here. They make a good gift. So that's kind of awesome. So all of that is in one box. Now the boxes are $55 plus the cost of shipping, and shipping is about $15 to $16 for this box. So it's because it's heavy. And right now, of course, the Postal Service has a wonderful little surcharge going on. So that's super fun for the holidays, even though it's, well, now it's November, but this has been going on since the beginning of October. Okay, so that is an accessory box. Next, I'm going to show you an example of a stamp box. Okay, here is a box of stamp sets. So let's dump all these out. Okay. So you will get 10 sets, and then you'll get, some sets have like extra items like dies or what have you to go with it. So here is a box. We've got the Counting Sheep stamp set. I'm pretty sure there's dies for this in here somewhere. We'll see. I'll make sure. I know I have the dies for this. So anyway, oh, here they are. Sheep dies. Okay, so there's a bundle. Here is the Better Places stamp set, the Prized Peony bundle. So the stamps are here with the dies on a magnet sheet, which is kind of special. Here is the letter E. This is, we used to have these monogram stamps, and I had just a couple of these left. So there's that in here. We've got the Perfect Pomegranate stamp set, the Friendly Hello stamp set. Ooh, this is a good one. Silhouette Scenes. This is a bundle that we used to have. I like this one. Gosh, I'm a little surprised this is in my to-go box. You can see it's a used set. Like I said, these are new and used items. We've got the Kite Delight stamp set, the Driving By stamp set, Feels Like Home stamp set, and this one also has the stitched nested labels dies. So there's a whole extra set of dies in here. So all of this is $100 plus shipping. And like I said, no two boxes are exactly the same, but they might have similar items in them, meaning one might have a couple of the same stamp sets or something like that. That is a possibility because they do have duplicates of some of the things that are in these boxes. Now, as soon as you place your order for these, we will ship them out to you, and all sales are final, U.S. addresses only. There is a possibility that not every piece is in every set, but it's exceptionally rare. Like, I think in all the boxes we did, I think one stamp set might be missing one stamp. That's literally it. I'm pretty good at keeping all those things together. And I think that one stamp was one that my dog might have eaten way back a long time ago. So this was actually my other dog, not my current dog. So anyway, everything comes from a smoke-free home. There is a dog here, but let's say she doesn't have a lot of access to any of this. So it's not like your stuff is going to have fur or anything in it. It's all good. So if you have any questions, holler. Otherwise, the link is up here at the top for you. It's also in the description of this video. It's also on my social media, and it will also be on my blog. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to answer them. Otherwise, happy shopping, and we can't wait to send you a box full of treasures that I hope you will love and put to good use. Thank you so much for being a part of the Creativity Cave, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.